So now with the drive installed, you can see I did a couple of benchmark tests for us. Keep in mind the advertised read speeds up to 3,300 megabytes per second and write speeds up to 3,000 megabytes per second. Hey everyone, Digital David here. Today in this video, I'm going to be checking out the Lexar NM620 1TB M.2 internal SSD. I did receive this product to review, but any opinion expressed in this video is strictly my own. That being said, if you're interested in this product, you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. You can see the nice retail box and packaging right here, walking us through some of the product key features like the capacity. We have the 1 terabyte version, but there are multiple storage capacities available depending on your needs and your budget. This also is PCIe 3.0, so we have the Gen 3 speeds with this drive. It features a 5-year warranty. The advertised read speeds are 3,300 megabytes a second, and the advertised write speeds are 3,000 megabytes per second. Now let's go ahead, let's look at the contents. Here are all the package contents. First up, you can see our quick start guide with warranty information available in multiple languages. Next, you can see we have our screw for our M.2 drive to fasten it in place on our motherboard. And lastly, we have the drive itself right here. It is super lightweight, very small. You can see the design of it. So check it out from the back side. Here it is from the front side. We have a nice label on it with our capacity, their logo and branding, and a barcode for us. Now let's go ahead, let's get this drive installed. So to get the M.2 drive installed, we need to remove the heat sink. So let's go ahead, let's just gently remove it right here. So we have 2 screws to take off. There's the first one. Here's the second one. And now you can see we have the heat sink removed and we have our thermal pad on there. Now we're ready to go ahead and take our drive, make sure everything's lined up, and then we're going to install it right in place. So you can see we already have a screw ready for us, or your drive will come with one you can use. And if you need to reposition that standoff bracket, feel free to do that. But you basically just line it up at a 45-degree angle and then you press it in place, and you can see we're going to have to just gently press it back down to get it installed on our motherboard. Depending on the board that you're using, you may have multiple slots, and you can see on this particular board, we can actually add another drive right here in the backside, and you can see we have spots for our standoff brackets again. So now we just need to go ahead and put the heatsink cover back on. So you can see we got the heatsink tightened down again, and now our M.2 drive has successfully been installed. So now with the drive installed, you can see I did a couple of benchmark tests for us. Keep in mind the advertised read speeds up to 3,300 megabytes per second and write speeds up to 3,000 megabytes per second. And we're right within that range. So with Crystal Disk Mark, you can see we got a read score of 3,352 megabytes per second and a write score of 2,957 megabytes per second. Then with AS SSD, you can see we got read speeds of 2,938 megabytes per second, and then we have write speeds of 2,738 megabytes per second. So this drive definitely works as advertised. Well, that concludes our video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget the product link will be in our video description below. Please go ahead, check it out, and do your shopping from there. Any purchase made through that link helps support our channel at no additional cost to you. So we're really grateful and thankful for all of your support. While you're at it, can you go ahead and hit that like button for us? And subscribe to our channel. We have new content coming out daily, and we don't want you to miss anything. Please go ahead and give us a follow online and make it a clean sweep. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Twitch, TikTok, Discord. You can message us on WeChat. Check out our website and join our free newsletter. Thank you guys so much for being here. Don't forget new content daily, and we can't wait to see you in our next video.